How to increase blood flow for erectile dysfunction.
Without Viagra.
A man can want it, feel it, and still lose it. Why? Because erectile dysfunction is often not a desire problem. It's a blood flow problem.
Our case today, a glamorous fashion CEO, a modern gentleman, and one strangely observant ragdoll cat. She runs a brand built on curves and confident. He runs on Wi-Fi that keeps dropping.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Alara Vivienne, your health detective. Today we're solving the mystery of how to increase blood flow for erectile dysfunction without relying on Viagra. This isn't about taking more pills, it's about fixing the real culprit, your vascular system and your daily lifestyle. And this is a crime we can actually solve. Chapter 1, Core Reason Why Blood Flow Fails. Before we jump into the protocol, let's talk about the real villain, nitric oxide, or NO. Think of an erection like a hydraulic event. Your body needs to pump a lot of blood into one small area. That's not willpower, that's plumbing. Inside every blood vessel is a thin layer of cells called the endothelium. When those cells are healthy, they release nitric oxide on demand, which tells your vessels to relax and open up. When that lining gets damaged from smoking, junk food, high blood sugar, or stress, nitric oxide production drops. The vessels stay tight and blood flow slows down. The three main reasons the system fails: structural damage, stress hormone interference, and a lack of raw materials your body needs to make nitric oxide. In other words, your body isn't failing you, it's just running on bad Wi-Fi and no electricity. Chapter 2, the 5-layer solution. Now, instead of panicking, we're building a 5-layer solution protocol. Layer 1, dietary nitrates. Foods like arugula, spinach, and beets feed a pathway that your mouth turns into nitric oxide-friendly signals. Layer 2, L-citrulline and L-arginine. These amino acids help your body produce more nitric oxide, especially when your natural pathway is slow. Layer 3, movement. Aerobic exercise creates gentle pressure inside your blood vessels, teaching them to produce more nitric oxide over time. Layer 4, sunlight and vitamin D. Morning light releases nitric oxide from your skin and helps your blood vessels stay flexible. Layer 5, stress management. High cortisol tightens everything, including your vessels. Lower stress, and nitric oxide can finally do its job. Now that we know the blueprint, let's zoom into the most repeatable part of the plan: your arousal diet.
Chapter 3, your arousal diet protocol.
This is not a short-term diet. It's a 24-hour protocol designed to increase blood flow for erectile dysfunction. Start your day with 10 to 20 minutes of real sunlight exposure on your arms or face. This helps your body reset vitamin D and nitric oxide. Sunlight triggers nitric oxide stored in your skin to enter circulation and helps your blood vessels stay flexible. If you're in a skyscraper, your office lights are great for mood, but not for arteries. Treat morning light like a non-negotiable software update. Now breakfast. This is your nitrate loading station. Arugula, spinach, and beets are your nitric oxide support crew. 1 big handful of raw arugula, or 3 cups of raw spinach, or a small glass of beet juice, about 70 to 250 milliliters, can help your body produce more nitric oxide over time. Blend raw spinach into a smoothie, add beet juice to a green drink. Your taste buds will rebel for a week. Your blood vessels will thank you for years. Your tongue's bacteria help convert nitrates into nitrites and then into nitric oxide. So skip the strong antibacterial mouthwash right after those nitrate-rich foods. Brush your teeth, then eat your greens. Don't sterilize your mouth immediately after loading it with nitrate-rich food. That tiny habit keeps your nitric oxide pathway running smoothly. Now lunchtime. To increase blood flow for erectile dysfunction, you need consistent circulation triggers, not extreme workouts. Put this into your schedule: 20 to 30 minutes of brisk walking 5 days a week. That's the minimum viable product for your vascular health. Walking creates a gentle shear stress inside your blood vessels. Your endothelial cells sense this and respond by producing more nitric oxide over time. If you're in a high-rise office, treat your lunch break like a detective surveillance route. Walk up and down, take the long hallway, or walk around the block. Add 2 or 3 resistance sessions a week: body weight, weights, or machines. This helps cardiovascular health and supports healthy testosterone. Now imagine dinner. If mornings are nitrate loading in sunlight, evenings are about omega-3 rich protein and low inflammation fuel. Your arousal-friendly plate. Aim for 4 to 6 ounces of salmon, a small serving of sardines, or a quarter cup of toasted walnuts. These are rich in omega-3 fats that support flexible blood vessels. If you're plant-leaning, add flax seeds or chia seeds into your routine. A small daily spoonful helps keep your blood vessel lining smoother. Pair that with a big plate of colorful vegetables. Leafy greens, broccoli, peppers, maybe a little sweet potato. This is linked to a lower risk and reverse erectile dysfunction. Gradually reduce ultra-processed foods, fast food fries, sugary snacks, and those mystery packaged meals. These quietly stiffen and clog blood vessels. Cut back on sugary drinks and dessert binges. High blood sugar damages the lining of blood vessels and makes it harder for nitric oxide to do its job. Now the evening ritual. If you want better blood flow-driven erections, you need one thing no pill can fake: solid, consistent sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours most nights. This is when your body repairs blood vessel linings, balances hormones, and resets your stress system. Wind down screens 60 minutes before bed. That blue light tricks your brain into staying alert and keeps your cortisol higher than it should be. Swap late night scrolling for reading, light stretching, or a quiet conversation with your partner. Your brain wasn't made for TikTok and Netflix at the same time as sleep. During deep sleep, testosterone naturally peaks, blood vessels repair, and your nervous system processes the stress of the day. Sleep is central infrastructure. Now, supplements. I'm going to say this slowly. These are add-ons, not substitutes for a functioning lifestyle.
L-citrulline can help some men by boosting nitric oxide production. Studies show it may improve erection hardness in men with mild erectile dysfunction. Typical ranges are around 3 to 6 grams per day, but that depends on your body, medications, and medical history, especially if you take blood pressure or heart drugs.
Beetroot extract and sometimes Panax ginseng show up as potential helpers for blood flow-related issues. But they're not magic bullets. They sit on top of the foundation we built. If you're considering any supplement, the smart move is to talk to a real doctor first. Supplements can interact with medications, and some people should avoid them. Chapter 4, Key Takeaway. So, let's wrap it up. Your Arousal Diet Protocol is a 24-hour plan to increase blood flow for erectile dysfunction, morning light, midday movement, evening meals that support your vessels, and deep sleep that repairs instead of complaints. If you stick with this for weeks, not days, you're not just trying a diet. You're quietly rebuilding the infrastructure that makes erections possible.
Yes!
Before you close this video, think of one man in your life who struggles without understanding why. Send him this link. You don't need a long conversation. The video will do the work. If this helped you or someone you love, subscribe to Dr. Ian Health Channel. We're solving new cases every week.